excited this year because this is the first year out of a small little plant that I actually planted 3 years ago that I have lots of berries. And that is actually the red currant. As you can see in here, you can actually get a lot of berries coming from these plants. One stalk can actually fill a nice good container full of red currants. Red currants actually have a lot of vitamin C in there, so it's actually really good to actually have this bush if you have the room, and especially if you have a lot of sunlight and good moist soil. Now it's also really good and high in antioxidants, and it's known to actually have some really good healing properties. For example, if you actually take the leaves of these plants and dry them, you can make a nice tea, and it's supposed to actually help healing wounds and even gout. Mostly you'll see a lot of red currants in Europe. Europe loves currants. Britain, red jelly jam, red currant jam, excuse me. France as Lorraine jam. Germany used a lot of tarts for all these things, and including syrups and juices were actually made out of red currants. Really delicious. Certainly a plant that I would recommend. Not difficult to look after. I haven't done anything with my plant whatsoever. And the best part of it too as well, at least you're going to know that by growing it yourself, that you know that there's not going to be any chemicals or pesticides. Enjoy everyone, and I'll see you in the kitchen what we can do with these.